Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're back out with the Avata 2 and we're going to be flying with the remote controller 3. And binding this, this is another thing that DJI has changed that I really like. When you were flying the Avata and you had the motion controller and you had your controller 2, when you bound to the drone and you decided that you wanted to use the motion controller, you had to rebind that motion controller. With the Avata 2 there, once your motion controller 3 is bound to your goggles and the drone, and then you bind the controller 3 to the goggles and the drone, that's it. You don't have to do that. Every time you decide to change controllers, then you just turn it on and it should be bound. It was really cool, and when I bound this, I basically just pressed the power button for 3 or 4 seconds until it started beeping. Then I did the same on the goggles, pressed the power for 3 or 4 seconds till it started beeping, and they bound together. And once they were bound together, I was able to check out the controller and move the gimbal up and down on the drone without actually physically binding to the drone. So now we're going to try it out and see if that actually works. So let's turn everything on and let's get flying. A lot of people in the park here, so I'm going to try and have to stay within this little area here. Okay, we got the drone on. Got the controller on. Okay, and let's get the goggles on. Okay, we don't have any satellite yet, so we're gonna have to wait a few minutes, which is very strange. It shows 16, but it's red. 18, but it's red. 19, but it's red. Okay, 24, home point updated. So that takes a few seconds. That takes a few seconds there. Okay, so let's start the motors.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I you down. Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You're the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you. Do without you. You. Do without you. You. Do without you. You. Do without you. Do without you. Do without you. You. Do without you. You. Do without you. You. Do without you. Do without you. Do without you.
Okay, let's try the pass-through. All right. Okay. All right. The pass-through is great. You know, we'll sit here and we just stare at the drone there. Okay, guys, I just wanted to get out and do a little run there today and check out the Avata 2 with the controller 3, and she works great. She works flawlessly. And I'm very happy now that DJI has made it so that you don't have to keep binding each controller with your drone each time you go out. So if in 5 minutes from now I decide I want to use the motion controller 3, I can just turn this controller off, turn the other one on, and away I go. No binding necessary. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful. You know, I actually find that the new Avata 2 lands a lot better. I think the original Avata, being top heavy, tends to wobble as it's coming down to land. No problem landing the Avata 2.